It says this next question. I am on an L1B visa valid up until November 2026, including the 3 plus 2 years. I've been unsuccessful twice in the H1B lottery and only have one more chance to apply next year. My PERM process is ongoing and I expect to receive it by mid 2026. I'm wondering what options I have to remain in the US if I'm not selected for the H1B next year, as I don't want to enroll in a university. Also, I plan to get married this year and my future wife might get an L1B visa, though we're unsure, or may continue on an L2 visa. If she gets an L1B and I stay on L2 without affecting my I-140 process, any guidance on my options and their impact on the I-140 would be appreciated.
Your I-140 shouldn't be impacted by whatever lawful non-immigrant status you maintain. So I don't think there's much concern there. Where you're looking at the end of your L1 time and not having an H1 to go into, there's really not a lot of options besides the F1 if you want to stay in the US and maintain a lawful non-immigrant status. The best case scenario, if you don't get picked up for the H1, would be for your spouse to get the L1 and then you would transition to L2. Because as a result of the lawsuit we filed a couple of years back, L2s have employment authorization incident to status, meaning you don't have to apply for a separate EAD. That would allow you to stay in the US in lawful status and would have the added benefit of being able to work in the US without having to jump through additional hoops.